What's up guys, Jason here from Dallas Mustang. It's a Tuesday, so let's go ahead and roll that intro. So we've seen this done a couple times on a few other channels, and we're thinking of starting a 2-minute Tuesday video series. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. Let us know if it's something you're going to want to see. What we're going to actually do is go around the warehouse, the showroom, wherever, find some products that maybe you are interested in just quickly knowing about, and feature that for that Tuesday. So today we're going to talk about Croftgate Wash Wax. It's a simple product to wash and wax your car, and all you have to have is a 1-gallon bucket and 2 capfuls of this product. What you then would do is have 2 clean microfiber cloths, dip 1 wet, 1 dry. The wet one you fold in half, wet it down, wipe your car off, get the dry one out, buff it to shine out. It's super quick, super easy, and the only thing we use on our cars. The next thing I suggest is if you want to do waterless, they have the Aquanil. And the Aquanil is going to be a total waterless wash and wax. So what you do there is you would have 2 microfiber cloths, spray on, pre-damp your microfiber, wipe it in, grab the dry one, buff it to shine. It's some of the best product you'll ever see on the market. We have it here at DallasMustang.com, or swing by, check us out in the retail store. We have a full line of the Croftgate product right here in store, and we'll check you next time right here at Dallas Mustang.